Well, as Hurricane Ian inches closer, Kyle's Weather Classroom all about Hurricane Ian today. And we continue to track the storm as it is nearing its landfall here, probably within the next hour or two. And it's got very powerful winds as well. We take a look at the center of the storm right now. It's just off the coast of Fort Myers, and we continue to track this as a powerful Category 4 hurricane. You can see that we have winds right now of 155 miles per hour, but check out the gusts, 190 to almost 200 miles per hour we're seeing as those peak 1-minute wind gusts. So this is very powerful here as it nears the coast of Florida, and really it's this right front quadrant where we're most concerned about that potential of some storm surge, which we're going to get into here in just a minute. But again, it's right off the coast of Florida, expected to make landfall here within the next couple of hours and remain a powerful Category 3 hurricane through at least early evening. Then by the time it gets to Orlando, it's still going to be a tropical storm here tomorrow morning, and then it's going to reemerge over the east coast of Florida and then make a second landfall, which actually will be the third landfall around the South Carolina-Georgia bend here as we head into the weekend. So it's going to still cause a lot of issues here as we head through the weekend. Of course, we're talking storm surge here today, and this is really a big issue with these landfalling hurricanes, greater than 9 feet above ground for many areas here around Fort Myers Beach up toward Cape Coral, as well as the Fort Myers area. So what exactly is storm surge? I explain it here for Weatherboard Wednesday. Storm surge is the greatest threat to life and property during a landfalling hurricane. But what exactly is it? It's the abnormal rise of water generated by a hurricane. We can think of storm surge as a bulldozer collecting water from the ocean and pushing it inland. The strong winds generated by the hurricane push the water from sea to land. The water piles up in the ocean, it moves toward the coast and has nowhere to go but inland, inundating land and property. This is why many homes along coastlines are built higher up. Storm surge between 1 and 3 feet may not necessarily have devastating impacts to homes and buildings. However, once there is 6 to 12 feet of storm surge, especially in lower-lying areas, the consequences could be catastrophic, putting homes and sometimes entire islands underwater. It is difficult to forecast storm surge. Any change in the storm intensity, forward speed, size, pressure, and angle at which the storm is moving toward the coast can mean the difference of a few feet. The National Hurricane Center is predicting Hurricane Ian could produce storm surge as high as 12 to 18 feet.